Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your savings to your checking account at Bank of America so you can cover your bills or daily expenses in just a few taps. Whether you are using the mobile app or the online banking website in 2026, moving money between your own account is instant, free, and incredibly easy to do. If you are using the Bank of America mobile app, start by logging in and tapping the Pay and Transfer button at the bottom of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Transfer between my accounts. On the next screen, you will see the two fields, From and To. Tap on From and select your savings account, then tap on To and select your checking account. Once your accounts are selected, simply enter the amount you want to move and hit Transfer. To complete the process, the money will show up in your checking account immediately so you can use it right away. If you prefer using a computer, log into the Bank of America website and click on the Pay and Transfer tab on the top of the page. Select between my accounts from the drop-down menu and follow the same steps by choosing your savings account as the source and your checking account as the destination. One of the best features of online banking is the ability to schedule these transfers. So you can choose to make a one-time transfer today or set up a recurring transfer so a specific amount moves from your saving to your checking every week or month automatically. A pro tip for Bank of America customers is to use the Erica, the virtual assistant inside the mobile app.